Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission (IEBC) has accused the High Court of creating a constitutional crisis in the August election over an April ruling that barred the commission from verifying presidential results from the constituencies.
And as our political affairs reporter Muremi Mwangi now tells us, Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai also poked holes into the ruling as he made his presentation before the Appellate Court, which is hearing an appeal by the IEBC against the decision.
With a countdown of 62 days to what now promises to be the toughest battle to State House. The legal team representing Kenyan electoral body IEBC fought hard in trying to persuade a 5-judge bench of the Court of Appeal to overturn the April 7th High Court verdict that barred the commission from verifying presidential results received from the 290 constituency returning officers before declaring a winner.
We are human beings. It is, if you add, in this election, there are 40,000 polling stations. If you add 40,000 numbers, there will be mistakes. We are human beings, and we need to take that on board.
The numbers of registered voters in all of these places, no.
Yes, they are no.
Now, if they are no, constituency X, total number is 200,000.
Yes.
And it's there. The whole world knows. And then somebody purports to bring in 300,000. Are you saying people will say, oh yeah, that's okay?
Verification has wrongly been taken to mean alteration. Verification is not alteration. Because election material are accountable material.
But civil activists Maina Kiai, Helif Khalifa and Tirop Kitur, through lawyer Willis Otieno, defended the finality of presidential results at the constituency level, arguing that a re-verification at the National Tallying Center could create loopholes for results tampering.
It is regrettable.
This even as Chief Government Legal Advisor, Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai, accused the High Court of misinterpreting the Kenyan electoral law by entertaining a political question disguised as a constitutional query.
No judge should ever ask that question, because that question is not a constitutional question, it is not a legal question, it is a political question.
If you conduct any election in which a returning officer does not come into direct contact with a presiding officer, that election departs from the architecture of Article 86.
In their April 7th ruling, High Court judges Chacha Mwita, Agrem Chelule and Weldon Korir directed that any dispute on the constituency presidential tally should only be challenged in an election court, a finding which IEBC and the AG argued would create a logistical nightmare and would potentially sink the country into chaos. The opposition under the National Super Alliance, which was enjoined in the appeal as the 6th respondent, will make its presentation on Wednesday through Siaya Senator, Senior Counsel James Orengo and lawyer Paul Mwangi.
And so, with the spotlight tightly on the sanctity of the tallying process for the presidential vote, the developments in this court will no doubt be closely watched as the hearing enters day 2. Muremi Mwangi, KTN News, at the Court of Appeal in Nairobi.